Hello friends, welcome. In this video, we are going to learn about cloud variables and the implementation of cloud variable in our project for high score system. And if you guys don't know about cloud variables, so it's very similar to the variable. So variables store data, numbers, letters like that. And a cloud variable is that variable that will store its data even if you close your project. Yeah, so most of the time if we close our project, all the variable will be reset and we need to start saving the data again when we click on the green flag and our project has been started. Yeah, but the cloud variable, its data is stored in the cloud server, not in your remote, not in your local computer. That's why its data will be persisted, that it will not be deleted, it won't be resetted. So that's one of the advantage of cloud variable, and that's why it's perfect for implementing the high score system in our game. So but another thing is that to be able to access the cloud variable, you need to be a scratcher. So the scratcher is a title that is given to you if you have been consistently using Scratch platform and have also verified your email in the Scratch and have been posting or sharing your projects and also getting involved with other projects, commenting on other projects like that. If you have been doing that thing consistently, then you are a scratcher. But to know if you are a scratcher or not, you can go to your profile and look at your profile, and below your name it will show a scratcher title if you are a scratcher. But from this place also you can find out whether you are a scratcher or not. So you just go to the variable option and just try to create a variable, and if you see this option, cloud variable option, then you are obviously a scratcher. Okay, so that's about the cloud variable and how to create a cloud variable. So let's implement the cloud variable system in our project so that we can store the high score of any player in there. Okay, so let me show you my game first. So it's an earth clicker game that just stores your clicks, and by clicking on the earth, the earth will just start growing, and that's the game. Yeah, the earth clicker game. So let me start and show you a demo of my game, and this game is also been shared to public so that you can play by yourself and give the high score. Okay, so I have put the link in the description. I urge you to try this game and register your highest score in the highest clicks, and also do some comment and give me stars and other emojis out there. And let me show you my game first. Okay, so if I click on the start, okay, let me just click on the green flag first. Yeah, I forgot it. We need to click on the green flag and the music starts playing, and you need to start the game like this. Okay, and now just click on the art, and here the click is registered. Yeah, and you cannot notice that your earth is growing once you start clicking. Okay, and that's about the game. And let's make a high score variable or the highest clicks variable here. Okay, and this variable will store the highest of the highest clicks, number of clicks, so that others can look at the highest clicks and they just get in competition and try to beat that highest click and get their number registered. So let's do that. So for that, I'm in my earth sprite, so let's create a variable from here. Okay, so let's go to the variables option and let's make a variable, and this time we are going to create a cloud variable to store the highest clicks. Okay, so I'll just select here HIGHEST highest CLICK as clicks and click OK. So if you have made this cloud variable, then it says cloud variable only support numbers, not letters and symbols. Okay, so it just stores numbers, but by using encoding and decoding you can store anything in the cloud variable. That's not the topic right now. So let me just drag this highest clicks up here so that everyone can see the highest clicks and they just want to beat that highest click. Okay, and right now it's set to 0, so we don't have to set our cloud variable from what we have done in the normal variables like this. Yeah, set clicks to 0, we don't have to do it, it's already set to 0, and we don't want to do that one also. Yeah, set highest clicks to 0. If you do this every time a person opens your project, they will just set the highest clicks to 0. Okay, we don't want that. And the next thing is, let's register the highest clicks. Okay, so to do that I will just go to events first and then drag a when green flag click block, and after that we have to check if the highest clicks is greater than the highest clicks, I mean if the clicks is greater than the highest click, then if it's greater, then we need to set the highest click to that number. Okay, that value. For that, let me go to the control, drag a forever loop, and I'll check here. So let me drag an if block here, and after that let's go to operators and drag a greater than operator inside the if block like this, and we are going to check if the highest, I mean if the click. So let me show you this variable. Okay, so let me go to variables, and it's a clicks variable. Okay, so the variable name here is clicks, it's a local variable. Okay, and it's a cloud variable. So let's compare the clicks with highest clicks. Okay, so for that let me drag a clicks variable inside here. So the clicks variable in the left side, so if clicks is greater than highest clicks, okay, we are going to do that. So let me drag the highest clicks variable, it's a cloud variable. So if clicks becomes greater than the highest clicks, then we are going to set that click value to the highest click. Okay, so let's do that. For that, let me just drag a set variable block inside the if block, and I'm going to set the highest clicks to that click value. Okay, so to get that click value, we just drag this clicks variable inside here, and that's how we set the highest clicks. Okay, or in your case, if you want to make a highest score, that's how you do it. Okay, you just compare it with the local score or the local variable. So if that local variable or local score is greater than the highest clicks, then you set that score or highest score or the highest clicks to that number, and that's how you implement the high score by using cloud variable. And that's simple as it is. So let's see. Now if I click in the green flag, look, the highest clicks is 0 and the clicks is 0. Yeah, so let me start. Now look, the highest clicks is set to 28. Now if someone else will start my project and they want to just play the game, they will see, look, they will see highest clicks is 28 and their clicks is 0 right now, and they start, they want to click and they want to make the high score. Look, right now it's 28. Yeah, and if I beat it, and you can see the highest clicks starts increasing. Yeah, and right now it's 46. Yeah, and that's how you make the high score system by using cloud variables. I hope you guys got the concept, and it's super easy to use, but you guys need to be a scratcher first to be able to use this cloud variable. And just go to my project and just play the game and register the highest clicks too. Yeah, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel, and I'll see you next time with a new video. Thank you guys.